You know what's cool? I'm going to be sitting down with Google, and all before their big event, Google Marketing Live. On May 18th, Google and I will be discussing their new AI system. Yep, that's right, none other than Google Bard. Google will be giving us their advice to use AI to improve our digital marketing. You're going to learn about how businesses are using AI to improve the world, increase their operational efficiency, how to use AI to improve your Google ads. You're also going to learn about how to use Google Analytics 4 to target people who are about to convert. Google's also going to recommend digital marketing products that you need to try. I'll be joined by Trevers from Google, and then Meghan Parsons, our VP of Paid Media. Register now for this free online event on our YouTube channel. You really don't want to miss it. Also, I'm going to be providing my own insights on how we've used AI to improve operational efficiencies within our business, and in addition to that, used AI to improve digital marketing services outside of Google Ads. Sign up now. It's going to be a great free event taking place on the Ignite Visibility YouTube channel on May 18th.